How to visualize market share analysis in Power BI using Comparison Bar Chart. Comparison Bar Chart data requirements. You need 2 columns of categorical data to create a comparison bar chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a comparison bar chart. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will construct a comparison bar chart with 3 data columns as follows. 2 columns containing categorical data. 1 column containing numerical data. Click on 3 dots, then select Get More Visuals to add the comparison bar chart visual. Search for ChartExpo. Select ChartExpo's comparison bar chart. Add the comparison bar chart in Power BI Visuals. Click on the Import Data from Excel. Select Comparison Bar Chart, Excel file to load data in Power BI. Click on the Open button to load the data. Select the worksheet that contains the data. Click on the Load button. Once the data is successfully loaded, this screen will be displayed. Click on the Comparison Bar Chart icon to add it in the report. Click on the data model. Drag and drop quarters in the Category Data box. Drag and drop vendors in the Category Data box. Drag and drop market share in the Measure Data box. Click on the Format Visual button. Click on the trial mode and enter your email to enable the trial. Slide the Enable Trial button to the right. To remove ChartExpo watermark, you need to purchase a subscription. Click on the Buy Now link. Enter an email address and receive a license key in your inbox. Copy license key from the email and paste it in Power BI to activate the subscription. To remove the watermark, paste the license key in the license settings. Slide the Enable License button to the right. Click on the General tab to change the properties. Click on the title to add a title. Click on the Visual tab to change the properties. Click on the column header to change the properties. You can set alignment of the column header labels. You can show or hide stats of the column header labels. Click on the sorting to change the properties. You can sort by category, value, or subcategory value. You can reset properties to default. Click on the Bar Color section to change the color of bar. Change the color of all bars. Click on the bar label to change the properties. You can show or hide stats. You can set bar label colors. You can set bar label font size. You can set postfix to append % as a postfix to the numbers. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.